Hey, hi all. I welcome you all back to the channel of BeePracticed. And from today, we will be starting a new series of AWS Solutions Architect Associate practice question and its explanations. So let's take a look at the first question. So it states an online shopping application access and Amazon RDS multiple AZ-DB instance database performance is slowing down the application. After upgrading to the next generation instance type, there was no significant performance improvement. Analysis shows approximately 700 IOPS are sustained, common queries are run for a long durations, and memory utilization is high. Now, which application change should a solution architect recommend to resolve these type of issues? Now we have the four options. Option A is migrate the RDS instance to an Amazon Redshift cluster and enable weekly garbage collection. Option B is separate the long running queries into a new multi-AZ RDS databases and modify the application to query whichever database is needed. Option C, deploy a two-node Amazon Elastic Cache cluster and modify the application to query the cluster first and query the database only if it is needed. And option D is create an Amazon Simple Queue service, that is Amazon SQS, first in first out, that is FIFO-Q, for common queries and query it first and query the database only if needed. So when you have this type of task and you have these type of options, we should first always look for the hint that after upgrading to the next generation instance type, there was no significant performance improvement, which shows that the query planning and its execution is the main issue over here, right? It has nothing to do with uh, the system setup or the configuration, nothing else. It is only to do with the query part, right? So to solve this, okay, let's first discuss all the options, okay, one by one, and then we can choose the best option over here, right? So if I talk about the first option, so Redshift is a data warehouse for the OLAP workloads. But in this scenario, we are basically talking about the OLTP workloads. So definitely, this option, it won't be the correct one. Second option, that is, there is actually no way to synchronize two different databases. As you can see that there are two different databases which is there, right? So there is no way to synchronize them together. So that is why second option is also something which we should not be considering. Okay, and now if we talk about the third option, so SQS is a message queuing services, right? And it cannot be used as a database substitute. So in that case also, like third option, it won't be used. Now the only option and the correct option which is left is the option D. So why we use this is because when we talk about the cache system, it is very important to cache the results of all the long running queries so that it can be used for the future requests, right? And since it is mostly due to the memory, so if we apply the caching technique, it will be the best solution for this particular scenario, right? So this is the right scenario. And if you want to just get to know about the hints, this is the hint. So I hope you have liked this content. So please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I wish you all a very happy learning. Thank you.